Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Kirk Montgomery. Juliet and Val have the evening off. 7 months after Patrick Lyoya was killed during a traffic stop, the man charged in his death is set to appear in court. Former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr is facing a second-degree murder charge, and tomorrow's court appearance will be vital to the case. 13 on your side's Carla Byron explains.
Christopher Schurr's preliminary examination will take place at 8:30 a.m. at 61st District Court in Judge Nicholas Ayub's courtroom.
I'm stopping you. You have a license? Do you have a license?
Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker announced a second-degree murder charge against ex-GRPD officer Christopher Schurr in early June. After nearly 7 months since the shooting of Patrick Lyoya during a traffic stop, Schurr will have his preliminary hearing where key evidence will be presented.
Although all of the evidence associated with the matter is not typically presented at a preliminary examination because it's not needed, certainly the most important evidence, the evidence that supports really the claims that are being brought, usually is presented at a preliminary examination.
It's expected Becker will present evidence by calling witnesses to the stand. As far as how much evidence can be presented, there's really no limit.
Sometimes preliminary examinations take 20 minutes. Sometimes they take place over the course of a month. It really depends on the specific situation. It depends on the amount of evidence needs to be presented.
Through a Freedom of Information Act request, multiple records of the shooting were released, including witness interviews, the incident report, and dispatch recordings. One thing we have not seen, however, is Schurr's narrative of the shooting and the reason he used force.
It doesn't mean that just because a case gets bound over at the preliminary examination, that that person is going to be convicted at trial, where the standard is proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Those are two very, very different things.
The examination will also be streamed live on YouTube. Reporting in downtown Grand Rapids, Carla Byron, 13 on your side.